Hi, good morning. Monday today. So that means my day off. So I decide to make my third vlog. So my third vlog is about my cooking skill. So malapit ang store dito sa lugar namin, so naglakad na lang ako to buy something to use for my cooking. So bago natin umpisahan, pa-shout out muna kila Vanessa Mamaklay and Ate Tess Mamaklay. So okay, panoorin nyo na lang tong third vlog ko. So and all the Mamaklay family on Taguig, also in Ilocosur. So okay guys, so siyempre bago natin, we need the whole chicken. Yep, that's the whole chicken. And another chicken. Usually I use this since I start cooking this kind of lechon manok. So but I add another one since one of our relatives have birthday this month today. So I'll make it this like a potluck to her. So I'm gonna cook 2 chicken in a sal. So I added one more. So yep. So and we need fish sauce. I pick fish sauce compared to soy sauce because I think the fish sauce, the more in the grill, this is make more aroma, like, you know, compared to the soy sauce. So I pick the premium fish sauce. So this is what I use to make it more tastier. Of course, garlic and the special herb that I told you, the seeds. So this is like a substitute to bay leaf. So mas gusto ko to, and it's also fresh. And then instead of using green onion, I'm using leeks. So this is give it more aroma and taste also. So okay guys, so but we need to show the other one, the 7-Up that I'm gonna use for soaking the chicken for overnight. But because of my niece's birthday, so I'll make it like 1 hour to 2 hours soaking. So all right, we have 2 chicken, so we need the 2 bowl. So yun ang gagawin natin ngayon. So isusok natin yung, bababad natin yung manok sa 7-Up like that. Ito yung organic. So I decided to cook 2 so that I can try what's the difference in the organic and the non-organic chicken. So, okay, ito yung isang manok. mas malaki to. It's bigger. It's bigger, so I prepared a bigger bowl. And see, tignan natin kung kakaiba siya ng lasa compared dito sa organic one. So okay, tapon muna natin to garbage. Yan. So ito na yung kung paano, how to soak the chicken. Yan, simple lang mga ka-channel. Ito. First 7-Up dito, right? So, yan. 7-Up. So, just pour the 7-Up to the chicken. So you should do this like overnight, but since I said one of my niece today's birthday, so I'm gonna make it like 1 or 2 hours. While I'm happy that I'm showing you my ingredients, so that of course your kids, I bet they're gonna like it. Alright, so okay, so i-unwrap ko to. Lalagyan ko siya ng, lalagyan natin sa this one. I got the straight tight. So, okay, just like that. And after we put in the fridge, I'll show you how through the ingredients that we put inside the chicken. There we go. So, okay, that's already chilled up. So, lalagay ko sa fridge. Ito, prepare ko yung garlic. Ito yung seeds, hinugasan ko na. So, tinanggal ko yung, I just remove yung hard part niya, yung sa dulo. So, and then ito, bawang. So, check natin na. Okay guys, so since this okay, just crush natin ng garlic. We're gonna crush it. Idadice na lang natin yan, ganyan. Okay, madali lang. It's easy, right? So, that's the legs. Siwa natin ito ng pinong. Yeah, so this the legs now, mga kachama. So I'm just gonna slice like this. I like legs to put in the chicken because inside of it, so that after you cook the chicken, I can like eat it like a salad. this my purpose to put the leeks instead of the green onion. Okay, so huwag natin yan, continue natin yan. Ganyan. Oh, yep, there we go. Okay guys, ito na. So ito na yung recado natin na these are ingredients that we put inside the chicken. So since we have 2 chicken, so unahin ko yung garlic. So yung una yung malaki muna. So okay, so lagyan natin ng ground black pepper. So tansya na lang ha. I never use scoop, so I just calculate the measure. So 1 tablespoon, and then the fish sauce. So then since we have 2 chickens, so like 4 spoon. Go. So you guys, this is the fish sauce. So 4 spoon. So lagyan ko like the seeds. Seeds. So you mix natin. So actually guys, every time I cook, I use MSG, so Philippines Bitchin. So let's put 1 spoon. Yeah, we always use MSG in a family cooking tradition. So it's part na yung buhay namin. It's part of our life. So okay guys, i-mix na natin yung leeks, all the thing here, the leaves. So this is going inside the chicken. So we're gonna put some, we're gonna rub some garlic salt. So yeah. Okay. Garlic salt. So rub na. Yan. Rub. Just rub it. Okay. Yeah. So rub like a baby, like that. This big one. I think this. I usually cook the small one for 30 minutes. So I guess Let's do. So let's put some. Ooh. There we go. So, can't imagine no more. No. I'm gonna eat that. So I'm just gonna put inside the chicken. What I like in this licks, after you cook the chicken, you can eat it like a salad. So I smell I smell the garlic. Yep. Okay guys, so just like that, put all the just put whatever we can put it here inside, because that make it juicy also. It's helped to make it juicy chicken. Your chicken in a salt. So, there we go. Okay guys, so that's the first chicken that we're gonna put in the air fryer. Alright guys, this is my wife air fryer. So let's try how it goes to make lechon manok inasal. Okay, so I set it up in 30 minutes. So I will be back in 30 minutes. Whoop, look at that, the color. Yeah, that's the perfect color that I want. Okay guys, so let's eat.